This modern Amazon prefab container house by Feker CN is designed for quick setup and flexible living. Built from 16 standard quick assembly containers, it forms a spacious two-story home without the need for complex construction. It's a smart solution for anyone looking to create a temporary residence, a cozy bed and breakfast, or even a stylish commercial space. Each floor offers 144 square meters of interior space, giving plenty of room to customize. The layout can include bedrooms, separate wet and dry bathrooms, a living room, and a kitchen, or be transformed into a cafe or boutique-style store. Whether it's used for living, working, or hosting guests, the space adapts easily to different needs. One of the standout features is the full-height glass curtain wall along one side of the house. It floods the interior with natural light, creating a bright, open atmosphere that feels both airy and inviting. The modern design blends glass and iron materials in a clean white finish, giving the house a sleek, contemporary look. Comfort is built into the structure. The walls, floors, and roof are insulated to help maintain a pleasant indoor temperature and reduce energy costs. Whether it's hot or cold outside, the house stays cozy inside. Fully furnished and ready to go, this prefab home measures 24 meters long, 6 meters wide, and 6 meters high, with a total weight of 30,000 pounds. It's ideal for adults who want a flexible space to live, work, or rent out. With its mix of residential comfort and commercial potential, it's a versatile investment that suits a wide range of lifestyles and business ideas. For more info, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.